Tuesday morning, we've arrived at Seathwaite Farm. We've now walked up to Stockley Bridge and it's on to Scafell Pike, which is up there in that direction, behind them fells there. It's going to be a hard climb today. We're not going the easy way, we're not going from Wasdale. As I said, we're going from Seathwaite Farm. I'll let you have a look. Some beautiful becks running down here. Not much water about though. It's been dry for the last few weeks, so usually this is a torrent of water. But we are heading up that way somewhere. Alright, probably catch back up when I'm at the top. Here he comes. Scramble up, scramble across. Let's just say you don't want to put a foot wrong on this bit.
That's for sure. No, I'm not going to look at the camera.
Because if you do, you're going to end up all the way down there.
Might need some aspirin after that.
Right. Still got to go up a shed load. Scafell Pike. There's Robinson's over there. We've just come up via that route. Over that way is Whiteness Pike and Grassmoor behind that. Down there you can see Crummock Water. And over here you've got Dodd directly in front of us, and behind that, if you can see the red scree, that's Red Pike where we went up. And I always get these two mixed up. The big lump in front is either High Stile or High Crag, and the same for the next one left. It's either High Stile or High Crag, I don't know which. And the small one down is Seat, and obviously the big lumpy craggy one over there is Haystacks. And that's the first one we went up, which is Fleetwith Pike. What lovely views down here on Buttermere Lake and Crag Water.
Beautiful.
Hello again. We've just reached the summit of Robertson's, which is 2,426, I think.
How you doing?
It's been a bit of a hard climb up. Our legs are knackered. Again, what some amazing views. Hello, well we were just making our way down from Robinson's down towards Buttermere Lake, and we found one of the infinity pools. Absolutely lovely.